So why did Tesla stock crash today? What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. I'm not too sure if you guys saw this, but Tesla went from 170 down to 160 and then right back up to 168. Why? Why is this happening? Super simple, fake news. There's an article by Reuters that was shared, and Elon Musk called them out for being liars. Lying again is what he stated on Twitter, bringing kind of like awareness of that fake news. So pretty much this Reuters article stated that Tesla is no longer going to pursue a cheap car alternative because of its Chinese competitor, BYD, something like that. And then now it's going to pursue its robo-taxi alternative instead in that type of development. That caused and created a lot of selling pressure, a lot of uncertainty, as you could see, from 170 to 160. And then as soon as Elon Musk's tweet came out saying like, no, Reuters is lying again. And again, it's actually quite hilarious. Let me see if I could actually find that. I think it was it this one? I'm not too sure if it was this one. Let me see. Yep. Reuters is lying again. So pretty much scraping any false news that was being shared by Reuters about that kind of like change of direction from Tesla itself. So obviously a lot of volatility within the past few hours for Tesla stock itself, but just wanted to make sure that you guys understood exactly why. Fake news caused it to sell off once Elon Musk tweeted, quickly began to recover. Now it's testing that moving average, and we'll see if we begin to make somewhat of a recovery. Overall, NASDAQ market is incredibly bullish. TQQQ is trading up 4.6%, trying to make back what it lost yesterday. And again, it doesn't surprise me. Yesterday, the market sold off because a Fed president stated that inflation is sticky and that, how can we justify cutting interest rates if inflation still is not going away? Yet today, I guess it's not a problem. That overreaction on the way down, just like we talked about in yesterday's video, market's been incredibly bullish for the past 4 to 5 months. It finds any and every reason to try to recover. This is why, again, you can either dance with the market or choose to trade against it. And direction is just super bullish, which again, it's just, it might be frustrating if you really pay attention to the fundamentals. Like, no, inflation is not going away. No, inflation is actually going up. Inflation is actually worse than what's expected. And based off of what's to be reported next week, I don't know if you guys know that, CPI data report is next week on April 10th. It's at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. And inflation is set to go up, which is like the hilarious part because market is going up, yet market expects there to be a rate cut. How can we expect the rate cut if inflation is still going up? Inflation is not going down. Inflation is not going away. Inflation is not getting better. It's actually going up, yet market still finds any and every reason to go up. So yeah, that is quite frustrating, but guess what? That's the market direction. So either choose to work with it or you can choose to stay cash, right? You don't have to trade these stocks if you don't agree with them. Just please be aware that market direction is incredibly, incredibly bullish. The only other thing that I want to talk about is the notorious DJT. Again, lost nearly 50% of its value from highs of $80 per share all the way down to $42 per share. I don't want to say I told you so, but I told you so, right? We talked about it. Everyone was hating on those videos that I made about, hey, be aware. DJT shows every sign of a pump and dump, overvalued within a very short period of time, all because of one reason, and that's because it has Donald Trump's name. Great, you might love Donald Trump, but guess what? Just because you love him, it doesn't mean that his publicly traded company that just merged is going to be uber successful, right? It's a social media company that has no edge, and it's all hype. You can say what you want. I don't care for Biden. I don't care for, it doesn't matter. It's like, this is a stock. Your opinions and your emotions don't matter. And it's all about value. There is no value with this. It was all hype. And it was very, clear as day with the volume that it had, with the trading activity, with the momentum that it had, that when something pushes up, 100% within a very short period of time, you can only expect for it to correct itself also within a very short period of time. But we'll see, right? Just like it corrected itself, it could find any and every reason to regain momentum and to try to skyrocket again. If there's any positive news on Trump, on his case, on him winning the presidential election, then be ready for this thing to potentially skyrocket. And that's the respect that you have to give it. Yes, it's a crap company. Yes, it's a crap stock, but guess what? It's a hype stock. And when hype is present and market's bullish or the stock is bullish, you're not going to want to trade against it. I mean, they will hype it up higher for longer if needed. So wish you guys nothing but the best. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. But again, just wanted to clear up kind of the uncertainty of what was going on with Tesla. So I hope that earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And again, I hope to see you for Monday's live trading session right at market open. That's that second link in the description down below. And don't forget to enter our Corvette giveaway that ends in April. And that's the fourth link in the description down below if you have not entered already. Take care, team.